Hi there, it's Tim, and I'm here shooting in Shannon's backyard. Shannon is hiding. She is hiding here with one of the puppies. Thank you, Shannon. And I'm here with Sydney. She's going to be the model today. Sydney, you have an Instagram account, and the Instagram account is?
Sydney Leahy with 2 Y's.
Perfect. Make sure you follow her. Shannon, what's your Instagram account?
OXShanXO.
Perfect. I'm going to put that down below. Take a look. We've got a beautiful, beautiful background here. We've got a swimming pool in the background. I'm going to try shooting in the swimming pool for the first time under the guidance of Shannon. Thank you. Have fun. Take a look at some of the shots and let me know what you think. Make sure you're following both of them on Instagram.